As artificial intelligence transforms the workplace, mastering key AI skills has become essential for career advancement across all industries. This presentation explores the most valuable AI competencies that will set you apart in today's competitive job market. The job market has undergone a dramatic transformation, with AI skills now considered fundamental rather than specialized knowledge. AI mentions in job listings up 56.1% YTD, following increases of 114.8% 2023 and 120.6% 2024. AI fluency has evolved from a competitive advantage to a core expectation. Rising demand spans both technical and non-technical roles across industries. AI engineer. Growth rate, plus 143.2%. Focused on building and optimizing AI systems and infrastructure. Prompt engineer. Growth rate, plus 135.8%. Specializes in crafting effective inputs for generative AI models. AI content creator. Growth rate, plus 134.5%. Creates and refines content using AI tools across media formats. Emerging roles include AI coach, AI product manager, and AI strategist, with companies now equally prioritizing technical expertise and human-centered skills. The AI skill landscape is evolving rapidly, with significant shifts in priorities. Design overtakes coding. User experience and human-centered design now rank as the top AI skill in 2025, surpassing traditional programming. Human skills essential. Communication, collaboration, and interpersonal abilities have become fundamental requirements. Leadership premium. Creativity, ethical judgment, and leadership capabilities command increasing value. The most in-demand AI skill in 2025. AI design has emerged as the most sought-after skill as companies focus on creating intuitive, effective AI systems that people actually want to use. User experience, UX, design for AI interfaces. Human-centered design principles. Product prototyping and iteration. Accessibility and inclusive design. Visual design for AI-powered interfaces. AI architecture. Planning how AI systems fit with existing technology, focusing on scalable and robust designs. System integration. Making AI work seamlessly with other software and company processes to ensure smooth operations. Data infrastructure. Creating strong systems to collect, store, process, and manage data efficiently and securely. These core technical skills are crucial for developing and deploying effective AI systems. There's a growing demand for experts like AI solutions architects and systems designers who can build large-scale AI solutions for businesses. Key components. Model deployment across diverse environments. Continuous performance monitoring and alerting. Version control and update management. Compliance and governance integration. Why it matters. Application lifecycle management ensures AI systems remain robust, safe, and scalable throughout their existence. This skill set is increasingly crucial in product-focused and compliance-sensitive AI roles. A top 10 requirement in AI job listings. The ability to clearly communicate complex AI concepts has become essential as these technologies integrate across organizations. Translating technical concepts for non-technical stakeholders. Creating compelling narratives around AI capabilities and limitations. Documenting AI systems and processes effectively. Facilitating cross-functional collaboration. These skills are particularly valuable in AI coaching, content creation, and customer-facing roles. Python. The primary language for AI or ML development, widely used with libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. JavaScript. Essential for building web-based AI applications and integrating AI functionalities into front-end systems. SQL. Critical for efficient data manipulation, storage, and management in large-scale AI projects. AI libraries and frameworks. Familiarity with major AI frameworks and specialized tools is crucial for rapid development and deployment. While design has surpassed coding as the top skill, programming remains vital for AI engineering, prompt design, automation tasks, and rapid prototyping. Employers value practical coding experience over theoretical knowledge. The human element in AI success. As AI transforms workplaces, interpersonal abilities have become increasingly valuable. Active listening and empathy to understand user needs. Team building across technical and non-technical groups. Conflict resolution when perspectives differ. Stakeholder management and expectation setting. Inclusive collaboration that leverages diverse viewpoints. Strong people skills directly correlate with higher AI project adoption rates and implementation success. Strategic vision. Ability to identify opportunities for AI implementation that align with organizational goals and create measurable value. Decision-making. Making informed choices about AI investments, ethical considerations, and implementation approaches. Mentoring. Guiding teams through AI transformation and developing talent to meet evolving skill demands. Leadership capabilities are in growing demand as organizations seek AI product managers and AI strategists who can drive innovation while managing complex interdisciplinary teams. Beyond the numbers. Strong analytical skills enable professionals to extract meaningful insights from AI systems and guide ethical implementation. Data analysis and pattern recognition. Critical thinking and hypothesis testing. Ethical framework application. Bias identification and mitigation. Performance evaluation and optimization. These capabilities are particularly valuable in AI compliance, audit, and regulatory roles where rigorous assessment is essential. Cross-functional teamwork. Working effectively across departments and specialties. Stakeholder engagement. Building buy-in and addressing concerns from all parties. Knowledge sharing. Transferring expertise between technical and business teams. Feedback integration. Incorporating diverse perspectives into AI development. Remote collaboration. Working effectively with distributed AI teams. Effective collaboration directly correlates with successful AI adoption in business units and significantly increases project impact and innovation rates. Organizations increasingly value professionals who can bridge technical and operational domains. Major platforms. AWS. Amazon SageMaker, AWS Lambda, Amazon Bedrock. Microsoft Azure. Azure AI Studio, Azure Machine Learning, Azure OpenAI. Google Cloud. Vertex AI, Google Cloud AI, Gemini API. Key capabilities. Containerization with Docker and Kubernetes. Serverless deployment architectures. CI/CD pipeline integration for AI models. Cost optimization and resource management. The fastest growing AI specialty, plus 95.5% in 2025. Prompt engineering has emerged as a critical discipline for maximizing the value of generative AI models. Writing clear, effective prompts for varied AI systems. Iterative refinement to optimize outputs. Adapting prompts for different use cases and audiences. Developing prompt libraries and frameworks. Troubleshooting and improving underperforming prompts. This role uniquely combines technical understanding, linguistic precision, and creative problem solving. Architecture and design. AI-driven design platforms now require professionals with both UX expertise and technical fluency. Architects use generative AI to create and evaluate thousands of design options while maintaining aesthetic control. Marketing and content. AI content creator roles have grown 134.5% as companies integrate generative AI into their content production. These professionals combine brand strategy, creative direction, and prompt engineering to produce consistent, high-quality outputs. Manufacturing. AI solutions architect demand is up 109.3% as factories implement predictive maintenance, quality control AI, and automated inventory systems. These roles require deep understanding of both industrial processes and AI capabilities. A fundamental shift in hiring. Analysis of over 3 million job listings reveals a permanent transformation in workforce expectations. both technical and non-technical AI roles increasing by more than 30% annually. AI-native workforce emerging that blends technical expertise, creativity, and interpersonal abilities. Traditional job categories being redefined with AI competencies now standard requirements. Growing preference for candidates who can bridge AI capabilities with business objectives. Continuous learning. Embrace micro-credentials, specialized boot camps, and project-based learning approaches. Portfolio development. Create tangible AI projects that demonstrate practical skills and problem-solving ability. Cloud AI certifications. Obtain credentials in major platforms like AWS AI Services, Azure AI, or Google Cloud AI. Employers increasingly value evidence of hands-on experience over theoretical knowledge. The most competitive candidates demonstrate both breadth across multiple AI domains and depth in their specialty area. The new baseline. AI fluency has rapidly transitioned from a specialized advantage to a fundamental expectation in the job market. Professionals with multiple AI skills command salary premiums of 15 to 35% over single-skill counterparts. Career mobility increases significantly with demonstrated AI competencies. Jobs requiring these skills are projected to grow at 3x the rate of traditional roles through 2030. Resistance to upskilling increasingly limits career advancement opportunities. Salary impact. Professionals combining technical AI skills with strong communication and leadership abilities earn an average of 24% more than those with technical skills alone. The most valuable professionals in tomorrow's workforce will combine technical AI knowledge with human-centered skills that machines cannot replicate. Your action plan. Assess your current skills against this framework. Identify 2 to 3 priority areas for immediate development. Create a learning roadmap with specific milestones. The opportunity. By developing cross-functional expertise that spans both technical and human domains, you'll position yourself at the forefront of the AI-driven job market transformation. The future belongs to those who can adapt, upskill, and continuously evolve alongside AI technologies.